Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, SABC is enenye. Guys, no, SABC is now desperate, right? Here is why I'm saying this. I saw a post by Uslota at Bafana Surprise. Uti breaking news. SABC is set to introduce a new car radio license. Motorists will be obligated to pay monthly radio. This level of desperation by our government is really shocking. These people have mastered the art of milking the poor. Guys, I am not a radio person, and for the first time, I'm thanking God for it. But here is their media statement. Introduction of car radio license as part of SABC's drive to generate revenue. The SABC is pleased to announce the introduction of the new SABC car radio licenses. Over the years, we as the SABC have seen dramatic decline in TV license revenue due to streaming services like Netflix becoming even more popular. We, as the SABC, therefore had to look at new revenue streams. No, SABC TV license should be 100 rand per year, and then that could be it. I mean, I'm a faithful payer of the TV license because I don't know why, but yeah, I pay it. But radio, I don't listen to radio, so I'm not going to pay it. But nonetheless, under the new Section 69 of the Telecommunication Act of 1996, all South Africans who utilize motor vehicles with radios will be required to always carry a car radio license with them. These licenses will cost 401 rand a year. Thank you, Jesus. Can they remove radio from my car, because I am not going to listen to radio? Let's continue. It says it's 401 a year and are required to be renewed annually in order for it to be valid. Car radio licenses can be purchased at the following outlets: on the SABC website, at your local post office branch, at car dealerships when you buy a new car or used vehicle. Guys, car dealerships have better sell us a cars without radio, because we are not going to pay this 400 rand. I refuse. Under the new section, the Telecommunication Act, the South African Police Services and local law enforcement agencies have been empowered to enforce the above amendment when they conduct their law enforcement duties. So bazalwan, like really, the revenue of cars is going to decline at this point. Failure to produce a valid car radio license when instructed by a law enforcer official at a roadblock or in any other situation when requested to do so can result into a fine up to 750 or up to 90 days in jail. No, I'd rather go to jail. I'd rather go to 90 days in jail, bazalwane. Angeke, this is absurd. Yo. This is just no. Yo. I will never. You guys, I don't know. How are you guys feeling about it? Already reading this makes me upset, and I want to remove the radio from my car. How do we go about that? Because we don't want it, and it cannot be forced upon us. Let me know what you think. This is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.